Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about the last days of my vacation in Sicily. I just loved it, the weather was fantastic and I have great memories there that I wanted to share with you. This day in particular, the water was so calm, there was no wind at all, and last minute we decided to take the boat out and spend a day with family, far from the noise and the fast-paced life of the city. This day we decided to go on a little tour around the city. It was hot but definitely worth it. This is the old chiatta, a barge that used to help people cross the river. Unfortunately it sank in 1971, but now there is a new one. This is the promenade Mazzini. I love taking nice long walks with the fresh breeze from the sea and taking photos of sunsets. It's just magical. This is where we finished our tour. We stopped for a few photos and then we went to dinner.
Ryan Little.